Imagine walking through ancient Athens around 400 BCE. The streets are alive with chatter, merchants selling goods, students debating, and philosophers pondering. Here, among marble columns and olive trees, a new kind of thinker emerges. Curious minds who dare to ask not only why we live, but why the world itself behaves the way it does. Take Thales of Miletus, often called the first philosopher. He looks at the sky and wonders about patterns in nature. How does water rise as rain and fill the rivers? Can the stars move in predictable ways? Remarkably, he predicts a solar eclipse, showing that nature might follow rules, not just the will of the gods. This is the beginning of natural philosophy, the ancient ancestor of modern science. Meanwhile, Pythagoras explores the harmony of numbers. He discovers that music, geometry, and even the cosmos follow numerical patterns. To him, numbers are the key to understanding the universe. This idea that abstract reasoning can explain the physical world lays the groundwork for mathematics as a tool of science. Fast forward a generation, and Aristotle walks through the Lyceum, carefully observing every living creature. He classifies over 500 species, studying their traits, behaviors, and habitats. His systematic observations give rise to biology, while his ideas about motion, causes, and the elements influence early physics. Aristotle believed that by studying nature carefully, humans could uncover its hidden order. Nearby, Heraclitus reflects by the flowing river. Everything flows, nothing stands still, he says. His thoughts on change and permanence influence future philosophers and scientists to consider motion, transformation, and the constant evolution of nature. And then there's Democritus, dreaming of the invisible world. He imagines tiny indivisible particles, atoms, that make up everything, though he cannot see them. His reasoning points to a hidden structure of reality, inspiring scientists centuries later to explore matter at its smallest scales. Even in medicine, Greek thinkers like Hippocrates turn observation into science. He studies illnesses carefully, seeking natural explanations instead of blaming the gods. Hippocrates' approach lays the foundation for medical science, emphasizing observation, diagnosis, and systematic study. Greek philosophers blend curiosity with observation. They ask questions like, why does thunder rumble? Why does the moon shine? How do living beings grow and reproduce? They may not have microscopes or telescopes, but their willingness to question, reason, and categorize sparks the essence of scientific inquiry. Plato adds another layer, teaching that abstract ideas and reasoning are just as important as observation. His dialogues encourage questioning, debate, and the pursuit of knowledge, tools every scientist relies on today. By the time we leave the streets of Athens, one thing is clear. Greek philosophers didn't just think, they laid the foundations of a new way to explore the world. Physics, biology, astronomy, medicine, they all begin here, in the minds of those who dared to ask why and how. And their curiosity set humanity on a path of exploration that continues today. From the ancient markets of Athens to cutting-edge labs, the spirit of Greek philosophy lives on. Ask questions, observe carefully, and seek understanding.